Welcome back, guys. I am going to open some master keys, and let's see what I get. I have 8 of them right now, and let's see what I get, Gamma. Hopefully I get something good like yesterday. Okay. Face guard. Trash, like actual trash. Gold sword, trash. No, let's just take that off. Let's just trash these both for now. Ring of Shattered Souls 3. Okay, I see you. Not a bad ring at all. Moonblade. I'll sell that. Face guard. Okay. So far this video has been pretty bad, and hopefully I get something good in these next two. I am just that. This is the worst. Skull mask also pretty not good. This is actually like such a bad video. Holy crap! This is not worth even making a video about. What is my luck? And I'm just going to contemplate life before opening this last key, because I have opened 8 and I have gotten trash. Yeah, this is not okay. So hopefully Cow Beans can give me some luck. And yeah. Ooh, armor ring 3? I needed that. I needed that. How much does that cost? Armor ring. It's armor ring. It's an armor ring 3 or 4. I don't know if there's a 3. I'm saving up for saving it for an armor ring 5 right now. That's what I'm saving my gems up for. I'm at exit out. Okay, I'm at 88 gems. And that was pretty bad, except for the armor ring 4. I mean, I don't even know what level of armor ring is that, so you know what? Let's defeat Grassland with this. Okay. Let's just see how I do. Actually, wait. I'm going to kill myself. There we go. And well, I'll just skip to when I get done. So yeah, I'll pause it. I did make it to the boss, but I have literally nothing to heal myself with, so I'm going to fail this. Unless I can outmaneuver it, but I'll just skip to when I die, or when it dies. If I survive this, that would be insane. As you expected, I died, but I fought gallantly, and I actually survived pretty far without having anything to heal at all. So I wasn't healing whatsoever. Yeah, but this is pretty much what I got from the keys. I trashed those other 2 things. I should have just kept it so I could show it off, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna sell this stuff, and yeah, I'll be back with another video tomorrow, or maybe later today. So see you guys.